everybody? Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our 2-door, all stainless steel under-counter freezer. Okay, so brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the measurements, the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Starting with length, you're looking at 47 and a half. Okay, 47 and a half. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 29 and a half inches. Overall height, you're looking at 35 and a half for the overall height of this freezer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. Now you're gonna have automatic closing doors, okay, for both doors. I'm gonna go ahead and open this all the way up so you can see the inside. You will be provided with 2 shelves, one on each side. Also, we'll be provided with a manual booklet, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information's on there. Also on the inside, we have a sticker with all the specs as well as a circuit diagram for this unit. You also have certification located on that same sticker. Okay, so the unit is certified by the health department. Inside measurements, you're looking at 17 inches front to back. Left to right, you're looking at 43. And the overall height will be 23 inches. Okay, 23 inches of the overall height. Now let's go to the last part in the back where you can locate your plug for this unit. Okay, plug will be located on the back. It is a standard US plug, 110 volt. Also on the back we have a control for the temperature. That's where you can set your temperature. It'll display your temperature once the unit is on and running. Okay, so this is going to be a 48-inch 2-door under-counter freezer. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.